Finally time for the most anticipated video, the side flip. What made this hard was because I knew how to twist. I always just ended up doing a backflip out, so instead of landing sideways, I'll land backwards. Quickly, I'm just going to run through everything that helped me get the side flip better. I used to spot up, so when I spotted up like this, like a front flip, when I did the side flip, it wanted to go this way. I don't know why, it just meant. But I changed to is when I did it up, I do the 1, 2, pop, I look at the ground, I can see the ground getting further away, so I know I'm getting some height. And then when I throw this hand over, the left hand, sort of basketball shooting thing, I go up, shoot the basketball, and then this scoops under to help me get my rotation. And then spot on the floor, which means when I do the flip, it goes around and I'll spot the exact same spot. This makes you spin faster and also stops you from going all weird directions. So I'll do one. This helps height, this helps rotation. Slightly lower.
Come on, do a wheelie, buddy. Come on.
Come on. Got it?
Come on.
He comes out like a little axe kick sort of thing, so I'm thinking back 9 maybe? That'd be pretty sick. Nah. So the problem is I'm traveling too much, so when I land, there's no bounce for me to go wrap behind because all my momentum's going forward still. Try cut my momentum going forward, kick, wrap it, 9, hook, scoot, cork. It's more plausible to go 1, 2, backside 9, hook. A bit more light this way. I'm gonna go 1, 2, backside 9, hook, scoot, cork. Touchdown rise, maybe. Quick check, touchdown rise check. Not good enough. Not today. Oh, Jesus, look up. Oh. Ugly as hell, but I'll take it. Excuses. I had to redirect my screw cork this way because if I kept going that way, I would have went out of frame. But I'm going to call the video there before the daylight runs out. So it's taking so long, I just couldn't learn it. It just wouldn't work for me. But now I have heaps of weird things, weird tricks I really want to try out of it. Subscribe to this channel to see them. So I've been away a few months now. I keep saying this, but I'm actually going to start being more consistent now. Cheers.